Hi guys, my name is Juliet Mulunda and I'm a student at Texila University. I'm studying business administration at Texila University. So far so good. I would say this university is the best school that I made a choice to come here. And I would say that like the learning process is really good. I can't lie. Out of all other schools that I've heard people complaining about lecturers, but here like learning is one of the priorities that people focus on, and they help you interact with each other because we have a lot of international students, and also they help you to be yourself, and yeah. So yeah. I would like you guys to join us, and we're waiting to see you here soon. Thank you.